Good evening, darling. Your food is ready.
Again? Is this the best you can do?
And every day, the same thing, we're useless.
I'm sorry.
This is good news for those of you that create AI content creation, especially for those of you that cannot afford the paid version. You know, GROK AI used to be free, used to be almost free, but suddenly they upgraded the app and they went from being almost free to become one of the most expensive video generator. This creates a lot of confusion among AI content creator, especially those that are just getting started. Some people decide to subscribe because they can afford it. Meanwhile, most of the people that subscribe are already generating a lot of money before the free version was cancelled. So it was easy for them to subscribe. But for those that just started creating AI content, some of them could not just afford it because it is expensive. Well, this is good news for you. This is the video you have been waiting for. I want to show you how you can still use GROK AI to create your video without paying a penny. If this is the kind of video you like to watch, just sit, relax, and enjoy this video from beginning to the end. Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kike. On this channel, I show people how to monetize their channel, how to grow their YouTube channel, how to monetize their channel, how to increase their watch hour and subscribers. If this is the first time you are coming across this channel, I want to say a very big welcome to you. Please feel free to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell so you get to see more of my videos. And if you're a returning subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you to you. Thank you for watching my content. Thank you for the comment, for the likes. Thank you for sharing my content. I really appreciate it. Now, let's go into the purpose of making this video. Before we create our video, we need to generate our script first. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to ChatGPT. Here at ChatGPT, I said, hello ChatGPT, kindly create a short story of a beautiful and respectful woman with a bad and wicked husband. They are rich, but the husband was not treating her well and he later regrets his action. This video should not be more than 2 minutes. Make it conversational in simple English, easy to understand, and let it be in dialogue form. And here is exactly what ChatGPT generated for us. This is the script ChatGPT generated for us. Now that ChatGPT has given us a script, the next thing for us is to generate our image. We use either Whisk or Gemini. I use the two, depend on the one that is available. Now here I am at Whisk AI. So now I says Whisk AI. Now let's generate our image. You click on next and then you click on create image. Now it says describe your image idea. This is what I tell Whisk AI to generate. Create an image of a beautiful but calm young lady in her late 20s. She looked rich but was not happy, and a rich husband in his mid 30s in their luxury sitting room. The sitting room is big and spacious and no blah blah blah. So now let's create the network is not available for Whisk AI. So now I'm going to move to Gemini. When Whisk AI is not available, I make use of Gemini. Gemini is also a very good app where you can create your image. So what I did was I just copy my prompt from Whisk AI and I pasted it on Gemini. Exactly what I asked Whisk AI to create it for me is what I pasted here, and here is exactly what Gemini created for us. Can you see how beautiful it is? That is why I also make use of Gemini AI a lot of times. So now that we have our scripts and we have our image, the next thing is to move to make our videos. And to make our video, just go to your Play Store and type GenV. I intentionally make use of another account so that I will be able to do it from scratch with you guys. So just type GenV and here it is brought out GenV for us, and the next thing you are going to do is you are going to install your GenV. all this Gen V app especially, you need to download it before you can make use of it. If you did not download, you will not be able to use it. Now it has finished downloading. The next thing is you're going to click on open. When you open it, then it will tell you the next thing to do by taking you to the next interface. So just make viral video, but before this, it's going to tell you to give your consent. Before you'll be able to use this app, you need to give your consent. Just click on consent. That means you agreed. So the next thing is make viral video, AI short video generation. What you're going to do is click on continue. Another one, frame to frame, click on continue, and text and image to video, click on continue, and it will take you to the next interface. Here it's telling you to share your app. Allow notification, yes, it's very important. Here it's telling you to share your app. Share app, but this is your choice. If you want, you can share it, but me, I'm going to close it. I don't need it for now. So here we are now with the app. We've already installed it. Now if you look at your left hand side down there, you will see GROK AI. That means you are using GROK to make this video. And also it also shows 6 seconds. That is, you can make 6 seconds video and you can make it as much as possible. It has 480p, that is the video quality, and also aspect ratio of 9:16. You can change it to 16:9. If you look up here, you see video generation, image generation, but I always advise you make your image before coming to the app to make your video. Now let's put it in video generation. Now that we are here, we already installed our app. The next thing for us is to go back to ChatGPT to copy our text, or to copy our script, the script we generated in the first place. Here we are here to copy the script. When you are done copying the scripts, I'm looking for okay, this is it. This is ChatGPT. I'm going to open it and copy the script given to me by ChatGPT. When you are done copying your script, then the next thing is you move back to Gen V to generate your video. Here I am now at Gen V. So when you look down there, you will see describe the content you want to create. Just click on it and paste your script. By the left hand side, you will see gallery. That is a gallery sign. By the left hand side, if you click on it, it will take you to your gallery where you are to select the image you created. What the next thing you're going to do is you're going to click on upload, and it will take you to your gallery. Then you select the image you created and click on done. Here we are now. So the next thing you are going to do is you are going to create. But before you create, when you click on the create button, it's going to tell you, it's going to start creating the image for you, and it's going to tell you AI provider data consent. That is, you need to agree to for them to make use of your data. So then you are going to click on agree, then it will start generating your image for you, for your video for you. Now you can see that our video is generating. We are at 1% now. You need to wait. It's not going to take for long before it's created your video for you. It's so fast. 35%, 50%, 68%, 95%, then 100%. We are done. Now let's wait and see what we created.
Is this the best you can do?
And every day, the same thing, we're useless.
I'm sorry.
Here is our video. Let's hear what they are saying.
Good evening, darling. Your food is ready.
Again? Is this the best you can do?
And every day, the same thing, we're useless.
I'm sorry.
The beautiful thing is you can generate this video and you can still make use of the same character. Just screenshot the last page of the video, then upload it again and input your prompt, and it will continue to generate for you. And now for you to download this video, you're going to click on download button. That's our download button. But before you can download it, you need to watch ad, which is not bad. So just watch ad like 3 ads. It's going to show you 3 ads, and then it will give you access to the video. Then you download it, and here you have
Your
it
food is ready.
in your
Again,
video
is this the best you
gallery.
can do?
Now I've
The
already
same thing where
downloaded
useless.
it. Let's check my video gallery to see the video we generated.
The best you can do, and every
I hope you enjoy watching this video. If that is true, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell so you get to see more of my videos. Bye. See you.